Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will give you a cake recipe with apricots. First we prepare the crumble part. 50 grams butter, 50 grams of sugar, 1 lemon zest, 1 cup flour, cup size 200 milliliters. Let's do this until it reaches the consistency of wet sand. If this is your first time watching me, please don't forget to subscribe for free. We prepared the crumble part. I used 6 apricots. Let's remove the seeds. Please leave a comment and tell me where you are watching me from. Divide the apricots into 4 equal parts. You can cut it to the size you want. We are preparing the cake part. We add 3 eggs that have been kept at room temperature. I add 1 cup of sugar on it. Mix well. Sugar should melt and its consistency should be light in color. Add 1 cup of yogurt. Water glass size 200 milliliters. We add half a glass of liquid oil. Mix well. I use 2.5 cups of sifted flour. Add 1 packet of baking powder. Add 1 packet of vanilla and mix. Let's make the consistency like this. I use a cake tin lined with baking paper. You can make it with cake molds you have at home. Add apricots. Add the crumble part. Preheat the oven to 180 degrees. Cook in a controlled manner. We take it out of the oven and let it cool. Place on a serving plate and sprinkle powdered sugar on top. You can cut it to the size you want. You can really enjoy this cake. You can use any fruits you like. Hope to see you in new videos. Thank you for watching. Enjoy your meal.